The 4 Japanese concepts that rebuilt Japan. Lessons the world can learn. In 1945, the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki were destroyed by atomic bombs. The world believed one thing: Japan is finished. But today, Japan is one of the most advanced countries in the world, known for its technology, economy, and discipline. The secret wasn't weapons, it was mindset. Today, let's look at 4 powerful Japanese concepts that helped rebuild Japan and can transform anyone's life. Concept 1. Kaizen. One of the most famous Japanese concepts is Kaizen. Kaizen means continuous improvement. Big success doesn't happen overnight. Instead, improve just 1% today, improve another 1% tomorrow. Over time, these small improvements create massive change. Companies like Toyota used Kaizen to become one of the biggest automobile companies in the world. The lesson is simple: don't aim for perfection. Aim to become better every day. Concept 2. Ikigai. Another famous philosophy from Japan is Ikigai. Ikigai means your reason to wake up in the morning. It comes from 4 important questions. What do you love? What are you good at? What does the world need? What can you be paid for? Where these 4 things meet, you find your Ikigai. Many people in Japan who live long and fulfilling lives have discovered their Ikigai. Concept 3. Shokunin, the mastery mindset. Another powerful concept in Japanese culture is shokunin. Shokunin means complete dedication to your craft. If you are a chef, you perfect every dish. If you are an engineer, you keep improving your designs. The philosophy is simple: whatever you do, strive to become a master at it. Concept 4. Gamen. One of Japan's most powerful cultural values is gamen. Gamen means enduring difficult situations with patience and dignity. Japan has faced many disasters: atomic bomb attacks, earthquakes, economic crises. But the people never gave up. They endured. They rebuilt. They moved forward. Japan teaches the world one powerful lesson: success is not built by resources alone. It is built by mindset. Kaizen. Improve a little every day. Ikigai. Find your purpose. Shokunin. Master your craft. Gamen. Stay strong during difficult times. If you follow these ideas, you can rebuild not only a nation, but your own life. Remember this: small improvements and a strong mindset can rebuild even a broken future. If you enjoy learning powerful ideas and life philosophies like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.